If you think building a real world app requires complex coding, paid APIs, or months of work, you are about to be proven wrong. In this video, I am going to show you how to build a fully functional invoice generator web app using Claude Code from scratch step by step. This is not just a basic project. By the end of this video, you will have a professional tool where you can create invoices, calculate totals automatically, add taxes, and even download it as a PDF. And the best part, no paid APIs, no complicated setup, just pure smart development. If you are a freelancer, developer, or someone who wants to build projects and make money online, this video is going to be extremely valuable for you. So let's get started. In order to create a professional invoice generator app using Claude for free, we will need an amazing prompt first, which I already created using ChatGPT. I will put the link into the description for that document so that you guys can simply copy that prompt. After that, let's go to the free account of Claude and select model to Sonnet 4.6. After pasting our prompt, let's hit enter and let's wait for it while the Claude will do all the heavy liftings for us. And it will create an amazing looking React artifact for our invoice generator. And great, the Claude is creating the live preview of our app. Just look at this, it's looking amazing already. And it's doing the live coding and generating the UI for us to view in the live scenario. I have already filled in some details so that we can verify that app now. Okay, we have the invoice dates, due dates, email, company name, phone number, address, and services details. And along with it, we have the options to put the GST tax, discounts, or shipping as well, so that it will calculate everything live for us. Okay, we have also the options for adding the additional notes, and here is the live preview of our invoice. So we can simply put all the details in our form and a live preview will be created over here, which is insane, guys. Okay, and we have calculated the GST automatically as well, so we have the complete total available. Okay, and there are so many options to create the invoice templates. We have the options for classic, minimal, and bold, and it's looking amazing, but there are some flaws. For example, we are not able to upload the logo for now. Okay, so let me tell the Claude about the issue that we are not able to upload the logo. Also, under services and product tabs, I am able to put only one character at a time. Okay, so give me the complete working code in a downloadable format so that I can upload it into our GitHub account for further process. Okay, so it's writing the complete updated codes now and it will fix all the errors. So let's wait for it. Amazing, it has fixed the errors and it has given me the zip file to download all the codes, and here is our project structure inside our zip file. Okay, so let me simply click on the download button over here and let's download the project code, and we will upload it on our GitHub repository after that. So let's go to our GitHub account. I already have a free account with GitHub. You can create one for you using a Gmail account. So I have been logged into my GitHub account. After that, let's click on new button and let's create a new repository named invoice app. Amazing. After that, make sure to change the visibility to private, and we can put a simple description like smart invoice app or something like that. After that, don't need to change anything. Just scroll down and click on create repository, and it will create a private repository for us named invoice app. And great, our repository has been created. We are now ready to upload our code files into it. So let's scroll down and click on upload an existing file link over here, and it will give the option to drag and drop all our project files. Let's extract the file and let's see all the code files here. And after that, simply drag and drop into our GitHub repository. So let's drag and drop. It will do all the processings and upload the files. So it's uploading the files. So let's wait for it. And our files have been uploaded. Great. Let's check it out. So here we can see all our code files into our invoice app private repository on GitHub. Now let's upload it into a live server for free. In order to do that, we will be using a free service called Netlify. Let me log in here with my free account. You can create you for yourself using your Gmail account. I will put the link into description to create accounts. Okay. After that, let's click on add new project, and let's click on import a Git repository and select the GitHub option. It will log in into our GitHub account and verify it. After authorization, we will be able to select the repository we want to connect with this project. Okay, so let's scroll down and find the Invoice app repository, and let's put a project name over here as, okay, let's put Smart Invoice Suraj so that the domain name should be available. Great. So the domain name is available, smartdevicesuraj.netlify.app. So let's scroll down. We don't need to change anything. Let's click on deploy button, and it will fetch all the code files from our GitHub and deploy it on a Netlify server. And our app is live. Let's click on the link, and here it is. We can see our app in action now. Okay, and it's looking insane and amazing, and it literally took us just 5 minutes to create this kind of app. So let's upload the logo now, and it's working perfectly fine. Let's put the company name. For example, we can put something like Suraj Verma Web Solutions, and as we can see, it's getting reflected in the preview mode for live, so that we can see everything in action. And after that, we can select the dates for the invoice, and we can select the due date as well. Everything will be reflected live. Let's put the client name to something like KT, and after that, let's put our email ID, and we can put a dummy phone number as well, a company name, and everything else. We have all the details listed over here. Let's put something like that, Katy Parlor and Saloon. And amazing, guys. After that, let's put a dummy address over here. So we have lots of options over here, and we can create a fully working invoice app using this. And after that, we can download it and send it to any client we like. In the services detail, let's put something like PO system software, and under short description, we can put something like software and app. Okay, so let me put all the details over here, and as you can see, everything is reflected in real time, which is looking insane already. Okay, let's put the price to something like 690 USD, and we can see it is getting reflected very well. We can put the GST to 18%, and let's leave the discount and shipping to blank. After that, we have options to put the additional notes as well. Let's put like thanks for shopping with us or doing business with us. And amazing, it is getting reflected under the note sections. So our invoice is ready now. Okay, we have the live preview generated over here within seconds. Okay, instantly. We have the different templates to choose from. We can go for the minimal template, or we can go for the bold template. Okay, and it's looking insane. We have the option to download the invoice as well. So let's click on download button, and it's getting downloaded. Okay, let's click on print button and save it on our computer, and it's looking amazing, guys. Let's name it something like Smart Device App, and it's been downloaded. Amazing, guys. We have many more options with our app. It's on a live server. We can switch the currencies as well to euro, or we can switch it to INR, and everything will be reflected in real time. So this app is fully working. Considering we are just using the free resources, it's completely amazing. We have the toggle to switch it to light or dark mode as well. Okay, and it will work completely fine with all the templates. So this is insane, guys. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video so far. If you have liked it, then make sure to comment on this video and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.